Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is another video in our Learn HTML the Right Way series, and we are progressing in this series. So this time around we want to discuss how you can add images to your website. So how do you embed images in your website? For instance, this is my portfolio. How do I add my profile picture? So let's jump to the code without too much word. So here is the code. So let's go to index. So we have the index. So here is our navigation area. So immediately after, okay, let's put the image before the name. So for you to embed image, you do that with your img tag. So open angle bracket img, then close it. So it's a self-closing tag, meaning some people call it a blank tag. So the first attribute you have to supply here is your src, which means the source. So you can use a relative URL here. You can also use an absolute URL. So we are going to use a relative URL. So I'm going to supply the path, which is slash profile picture.png. So for you, I already copied this to my root, to the folder where my website is located. You can see it. You can see the part here. So don't forget to also copy your image from anywhere you have it and put it in your root folder. So if I save this now, we'll go back to our browser. Let's see what we have. So here is it. You can see the image here. So let's try to control the width and the height of the image. So let's go back to our code. So let's come here. I just come here and say width. So let's put something like 200. Then my height, let's put something like 200. So let's go back. So you can see we have it. So we can still make it smaller. So let's put 100. So let's put 100 also. So let's save. So let's see, there are situations whereby the image will be broken and it will not be shown on the page. So you don't want that place to be empty. You want to find a way to tell the user that this is what should be here, even though the image is not showing. So let's see how we can accomplish that. So let's come back to our code. So you provide another attribute to this img element. So this image element is called alt, that is alternative text. So I can say profile picture. So let's come back to our page. You see you're not seeing anything here. So let's break the link to the picture intentionally. So I'll just remove this e. So let's come back. You can see the picture is not showing, but we have profile picture here. That is, it's telling us that though this image is broken, but we have a profile picture. So I've done it, or for how you can use a relative path. If you want to use an external image that is not located on your personal what's it called, on your personal server, so you can just go to the website. Let me use my profile picture on Twitter for that. So I'll just click, let's open this. So copy link address. So copy link address. Let's come here, then let's paste that address. Okay, so let's see on the page. Let's see what we have. It's even broken. So let's come back. Let's look for another image here. So let me just copy this. So copy. So let's copy image address. Yeah, thank you. So let's copy image address. Let's just come here. So I paste. So once I paste like this, so let's go back to the page. So you can see now we have this image here. So that's how you can add images to your website. Have any question, shoot in the comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Meet you in another release.